Cisco's FindIT Network Manager features in-depth reporting features that detail the maintenance status and any end-of-life bulletins associated with your network. We'll talk more about lifecycle management on this edition of Tech Talks next. To get started, first log into the Cisco FindIT Network Manager. Once there, under the Reports tab in the menu on the left-hand side, you'll see that we have three options: Summary, End-of-Life Report, and Maintenance. We'll talk about them one by one. The Summary report provides a summary of the status of the devices in the network. It's essentially a high-level overview of the status of each of your network devices. The report shows the site name, host name, model, device type, firmware version, end-of-life status, and maintenance status. The next report, End of Life, lists which devices have a published end-of-life bulletin and any key dates in the end-of-life process. Some of the fields included in this report are device type, current status, date of announcement, last date of sale, last date of software releases, and date for new service contract. The third report, Maintenance, lists all network devices and includes the warranty and support contract status information for each one of them. The fields contained within this report are site name, device type, model, serial number, status, coverage end date, and warranty end date. There you have it, a brief summary of the reporting options available in the Cisco FindIT Network Manager. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.